In this lesson, we'll be focusing on combined series. Sometimes an examiner can mix the two series, both arithmetic and geometric. So in this series, we've been given 1 plus 3 plus 2 plus 6 plus 3 plus 12. They add each other up until they add 48. And they have told us that this is to 10 terms. So there's something important I want to highlight in this lesson. If they've given you the number of terms which they are adding, an examiner will give you. If the number of terms here is even, okay, the arithmetic terms are equal to the geometric terms. Provided only that they've given you that the number of terms is an even number here. We've been given 10 terms, okay? They are adding 10 terms. This means 10 is even because it's divisible by 2. This means that the arithmetic terms are equal to geometric terms. This means that they are 5. There are 5 arithmetic terms which are added and 5 geometric terms which are added. But if it's an odd, when we're talking about an odd, we're talking about 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, etc. So if it's an odd, notice that if it's an odd, the number that starts here forms part of a certain series, is the series that will end. Okay, let me give you an example. Suppose we have this series which is given. It's 1 plus 3 plus 2 plus 6 plus 3 plus 12. Let's just say plus what will come next is 3, 6, 12. Let's just say plus 24. Okay, so if we can check here, what we can say, let me see if I've done everything correctly here. Let me rewrite the series. It's 1 plus 3 plus 2 plus 6 plus 3. Okay, yeah, let's leave it here. We can see that this series is the arithmetic part of the series. Okay, so it ends with an odd number. We are adding odd number of terms. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 terms. It's not even because it's not divisible by 2. So this means that the series that starts, the number that forms part of this series is the one which will end the series. 1 forms part of an arithmetic and the last term will form part of the arithmetic as well. This means that the arithmetic terms are more than the geometric terms by 1. I hope you understand this. What I'm trying to say here is that if we have even number of terms, the number of arithmetic and the number of geometric are the same, or the number of the two series which are different are the same. But if we have odd number of terms, for example 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9, the series which starts will take the lead by 1. I hope you understand. Because the arithmetic starts, this is the arithmetic part, is the one which is starting the series, will take the lead, will overthrow or will overpower the geometric part by 1. So we have 3 terms of arithmetic and 2 terms of geometric. I hope this is clear to everyone. So we are going to use the same strategy in answering this question. But here we've been given 10 terms. This means that we have 5 arithmetic and 5 geometric. We've been given 1 plus 3 plus 2 plus 6 plus 3 plus 12, and we're given they add each other up until positive 48. So here what we are sure of is that this series here is an arithmetic. Let's underline that arithmetic part. This one is the arithmetic part of the series. Okay, it's 1 plus 2 plus 3. It's arithmetic part. Let's write it. Arithmetic part. Arithmetic part is 1 plus 2 plus 3. They add each other up until to 5 terms, because we said that if it's an even number of terms, this means that the geometric and the arithmetic are the same. So here we have geometric, the geometric part. The geometric part is 3 plus 6 plus 12 plus others to 5 terms. Okay, so we're going to add the two series. We're going to calculate the sum of the arithmetic part and the sum of the geometric part. Then independently, we're going to add them. Okay, so let's draw a line here to show that here we're going to calculate the sum of the arithmetic and here we're going to calculate the sum of the geometric. So I want you to be used to using the formula. Okay, so we can say that for an arithmetic we have 1 plus 2 plus 3, and the terms are 5 terms. 5 terms, okay? It's 5 terms. So we can say that Sn is equal to n over 2, 2a plus n minus 1 multiplied by the difference. So we're going to say that it's sum to 5 terms because the terms are 5. Sum to 5 terms is equal to 5 over 2 multiplied by 2 terms. The first term in the arithmetic part is 1 plus n is the number of terms, which are 5, minus 1, and the difference between consecutive terms in this case is also 1, and we're going to close it. So we're going to use a calculator to find the sum. So this will be 5 over 2, open brackets, 2, open brackets, 1, plus 5 minus 1 multiplied by 1, and we get 15. Well, we get 15. I hope you can see this. Then now we're going to do the sum of the geometric this side. The formula for sum to geometric is that Sn is equal to a multiplied by r to the power of n minus 1 over r minus 1. So we're going to calculate the sum to 5 terms again. That is equal to, what is a? A in the geometric part is the first term, which is 3. What is the ratio? You will say T2 over T1 is equal to T3 over T2. 6 over 3 is equal to 12 over 6, and the ratio is 2. So this will be 2 to the power of 5, because there are 5 terms, minus 1 over 2 minus 1. And let's do it. This means that the sum to 5 terms is equal to, we have 3 multiplied by 2 to the power of 5 minus 1 divided by 2 minus 1, and the answer is 93. The answer is 93. This means that the sum of all the terms is equal to 15 plus 93, and if we add the 2, we will get 15 plus 93, that gives us 108. This means that the series here have 108 terms. It's a combined series. And to repeat what I've said that if the number which is here is an even number, this means that the two different part of the series will have the same number of terms. But if here the number of terms is an odd number, 1, 3, 5, 7, the series that starts is the one which will have many number of terms than the series that follows. We can see that the series which has 1 is the one that starts, and the series that has 3 is the one that follows. That's why if here is an odd, for example, if here it was let me give an example, okay? I don't want to leave anyone in the dark. If here it was 11, if here it was 11, the series that starts, the one of 1 plus 3 plus 2 will have 6 terms, but the series that follows, the one of 3, 6, 12 will have 5 terms, and when you add them you get 11. I hope it is clear to everyone. So make sure you understand how to deal with combined series. I'll make sure I find another example which I'll give you to do. Thank you for watching.